So I've just finished boxing up, as you can see, these chocolate orange gonks into these gorgeous clear boxes, and then I've just attached some sort of pink rope twine to go with the pink ones and some blue rope twine to go with the blue ones. I've then used these names which a dear friend of mine printed off for me, and I've just attached them to the boxes. And these, as you can probably tell, bride, groom, are the favours, the wedding favours. And don't they just look unusual, special, something a little different? So each wedding guest gets their very own chocolate orange, which is the body. Excuse my nails, I've got food colouring all over me. It's not muck, I promise. Gets their own chocolate orange. We've got the navy blue for the boys and the dusky pink for the girls. But this is what they look like finished in their boxes. And aren't they just to die for? Aren't they gorgeous? Put some little jingle bells on top as well. Very Christmassy. I'll just pan you across to the rest of them. So the wedding party are all in here. Just in the corner there, you'll see my little Christmas elves on the go. But it's these that I'm boxing up, ready to deliver. But look at them all. So many of them. So yeah, as I say, excuse the mess in here. It is a working kitchen. I've now got the 3-tier wedding cake to make to go with these wedding favours. It's not gonk themed. It's well, I'll show you. I'll pop a video up of the finished cake. But just for now, these are the favours, and I absolutely love them. Hee. You'd be quite chuffed, wouldn't you, if you went to a wedding and got one of those? Chocolate orange gonks.